Looking for property for year-round living, small farm, horse property, hunting lodge? A rare find in this area? Don't dream about it. Live it. This property offers it all. There's a 2006 model single-wide trailer with 3-bedroom and 2-bath with city water. Living room. Kitchen. Laundry room. Bedroom 1. Bathroom 1. Bedroom 2. Bathroom 2. Bedroom 3. Outbuilding. There's a cinderblock building used as a hunt camp with well, water and electric. The property consists of 2 abutting tracts offering 66.95 in all. There's approximately 20 acres in gently rolling fields, remainder balance wooded. It's a beautiful piece of property with some really nice views. Give me a call today to schedule a showing.